Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto and tech tips. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This overview is based on my personal experience using these wallets. On Rome Tips today, we're diving into the world of crypto wallets and comparing two popular options, KeepKey and Blockchain Wallet. Which one comes out on top? Let's break down their features, target users, and strengths to help you choose the right wallet for your crypto needs. The KeepKey wallet is a hardware wallet designed for secure, offline storage of your private keys, adding an extra layer of protection against online threats. Supporting over 40 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, KeepKey features a sleek, modern design and a large display for clear transaction verification. The integration with Shapeshift allows for seamless cryptocurrency exchanges. KeepKey is an excellent option for users prioritizing simplicity and robust security. It's particularly well suited for long-term holders and beginners who appreciate a user-friendly interface. However, if you manage a diverse portfolio or need mobile connectivity, KeepKey might feel somewhat limited. It lacks Bluetooth functionality and supports fewer assets than some competitors. The blockchain wallet, conversely, is a hot wallet accessible through a web browser or mobile app. This accessibility provides greater flexibility and convenience for managing your digital assets. Blockchain wallet supports a wide array of popular cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and USDT. It also offers in-app trading and interest-earning opportunities on stored crypto. This makes Blockchain Wallet a compelling option for active traders and users who require quick and easy access to their funds. While Blockchain Wallet employs security measures like two-factor authentication and private key backups, its digital nature makes it inherently more vulnerable to online threats than a hardware wallet. This means it may not be the ideal solution for storing large amounts of cryptocurrency long-term. It is, however, a great choice if accessibility and a broad feature set are your primary concerns. To summarize, the KeepKey wallet emerges as the superior choice for those who prioritize offline security and simplicity, especially for long-term cryptocurrency storage. On the other hand, the blockchain wallet offers greater accessibility and a wider range of features, making it more suitable for active traders and users looking to generate interest on their holdings. Ultimately, the best wallet for you hinges on whether you value security above convenience or vice versa. Let us know in the comments below which wallet best aligns with your needs.